Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Getkicks token. Ticker symbol is KICKS. This token is just getting a brand new listing on a central exchange on October 18th. Today is October 15th, so 3 days from now, this will be getting a brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So the KICKS token is getting listed October 18th, 10 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. Now, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, and you're looking to get this token, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search KICKS, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you'd simply just buy the token. Now, if you go over to their Twitter, at Getkicks_IO, you can see they're verified on Twitter. They have the blue check mark. They just joined in April 2022, and they already have 121,500 Twitter followers. So they're doing amazing. It says, get kicks and get fit. Move to earn, walk, run, or jog. Collect futuristic, fashionable NFT kicks on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, if you click on their link tree, which is on their Twitter, they have a DAO maker, the application for Apple or iOS. You can download the Android app, website, white paper, Twitter, Discord, Telegram announcement channel, main Telegram chat, a couple different countries Telegram chats as well, Instagram, and a TikTok as well. So it says Getkicks aims to make lucrative earning opportunities for everyone that has a smart device. You don't have to own crypto to start. Our game is available for everybody. Our mission is to bring sneakerheads to the era of Web3 and get them moving. They will get connected through their shared interest in earning tokens while getting fit. Getkicks allows players to be active together by using club mode or just on their own with our solo mode. Getkicks will also start hosting marathon tournaments where people will be able to climb up the leaderboards and earn some nice prizes like tokens, kick boxes, or accessories. Moreover, players will also be able to challenge each other directly using PvP mode, where the real action begins and players are able to stake tokens against each other. Lastly, Getkicks will introduce a background mode that allows players to earn even while not actively using the app. Getkicks thrives on releasing the best utility possible for our KICK NFT holders while ensuring that they are the freshest looking kicks you've ever seen. Players will be able to upgrade their KICK NFTs, which will not only increase the stats of their kicks, but also open up new perks like being able to lease your kicks or add accessories to them. These accessories can be used to enhance the stats of your kicks even further and can be obtained on the marketplace or via a kick box. Each kick box either holds a kick, accessories, or if you're really lucky, both. These kick boxes can be minted using our own kicks found while actively playing in either solo or club mode, or directly bought via the marketplace. All in all, Getkicks is here to change the move to earn space by introducing a dual deflationary tokenomics model and focusing on unique value propositions. Instead of just focusing on health and fitness, Getkicks emphasizes its focus on so-called sneakerheads, both through partnerships with existing streetwear sneaker brands and through the design of our futuristic and fashionable kick NFTs. So it says Getkicks is currently under closed alpha testing, so all the contents within this paper could be still changed or altered in the future. So Tokenomics, it's the in-game token is called LACE, ticker symbol LACE, and the native governance token is the KCEX token. The ecosystem is tokenized using a precise interplay with the two tokens. KCEX and LACE embody a perfect balance, throughout which users are incentivized to create the most unique sneakers and show off their cool NFTs and move. So KCEX is the governance token. Holders can spend their kicks to purchase boots that amplify the LACE earnings and to increase their chance to win higher rarity kick NFTs when opening kick boxes. Holders can stake LACE and claim their rewards. These rewards include kick NFT allocations, kick boxes, and LACE tokens. KCEX is the exclusive currency used to get kick NFT marketplace. Getkicks is a community-owned project. KCEX holders and stakers are able to vote on governance proposals. So, let's see here. You can stake it. There's burning. You can earn the tokens. And yeah, so distribution says initial market cap estimate $306,000. Total supply 5 billion tokens. Split up between public round, strategic round, private round, rewards, advisors, team partnerships, marketing, strategic, liquidity, and yeah, that's about it. They also have a roadmap listed on the page here, starting with official website launch, community building on all socials, fundraising, preview all-rounder kick NFTs and initial app design. Then Q3 this year, start of marketing and activities, rebranding on all social channels, start of PR and media campaigns, launch Discord gamification strategy, rebranding the Getkicks app, preview of kickboxes, launch of the open beta and open app, in-app custodial wallet release. Q4, we got initial DEX offering, central exchange listings, Genesis Kicks NFT sale, launch of club mode, introduction of kick accessories, sneaker renting, PvP mode with betting features, release of tournament mode, sneaker collaborations with fashion brands. Then next year, we're going to have launch background mode, release of create to earn model, governance platform, augmented reality, IRL NFT sneaker stores in Amsterdam, Hong Kong, Tokyo, and New York. And then lastly, release of the tangible sneakers. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.